tell you, Chevy, there's a cake, and you take it. You're taking the cake. You are taking the cake. Chevy, HHR. What's this? What's going on right there? Why? What's going on? That's right. Took off my door because my sunroof leaks. You know why? Because when you look at your sunroof, look, there's a hole right there, and there's a hole over there. Do you see it? Hole. Your sunroof doesn't make a complete seal along the edges here. Instead, there's kind of a tray that goes along, and there's a drain tube that goes all the way down inside your car, down through here, goes right here, there it is right there. It goes right here, bends inward. There's no way to get in there to it because there's a piece of frame metal right here that holds up the whole console and everything. There's the car here, so yeah, goes right there. You can feel in there, goes in, makes like a 90-degree angle this way, and maybe another one, I don't know, and then it comes out right here, and there's this port that covers that up right there like that. And when your sunroof is leaking, that's because you have all kinds of garbage in there. And I'm gonna focus in on it. I'm gonna focus in. I'm gonna focus. I've cleaned some of it out. You can't see it. So, what you got to do is you grab yourself a ratchet, 10mm socket, and that's all you need for this. You could use a screwdriver too. And so, on your door, there are 2 frame points. There's one of the screws, the bolts right there. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got a thing that holds the door from opening too far right here, 10mm bolt also. And then you have to remove the little electronic plug-in. There's a little, there's a rubber boot that goes over all this, and then there's a little spring thing. You have to press that to pull it out, you know. So once you do that, you clean all the junk out of there. And I swear I can get a picture of it, but it doesn't matter. And you set your door over here, like that. And you have a good time. You have a good time doing it. And you clean it out. You clean it out with whatever you can use. You can use some wires, you can use some compressed air maybe, I don't know. But I love how on the end of this, you can see that square, or that X, I mean. Instead of just leaving an open port for this thing to blow through, they decided to put a little bit of a block in there. Look, see it? Yeah, you know, you want to stop the debris from coming out. That's what you want to do. Because God knows there's crap going to be blowing up. There's going to be debris, all kinds of debris just blowing right through this freaking insulation filter right here. All kinds of debris blowing up in there as the water is coming out. So you want to stop that. You want to stop it. You want to stop it by putting something to block the passage of the ground. And like my floorboard is soaked. I had water coming out of my freaking panel right there. Like water was coming out of that little where the LED is at. And I was cupping it. I was just cupping it. Just kind of like, oh, look at there. Hey, look at that. There's water coming from my ceiling. Yeah. So we're going to be working on that all day. And then eventually get my door back on. Because that's the only way you can get to this. There's a, you know, it's kind of loose because I tried taking this part off first. But I just decided to take the door off. And that's the only way you can get to it. Because there's a door here in the way that won't get out of the way. And there's the port right here. It can't be down here. No. No, you can't put it down here or somewhere like that. No. No, you gotta right in here where nobody can ever touch it. Okay. That's the end of my rant. Thanks for watching.